Hi, so this is another example of the intelligent workspace uh, capabilities. We're going to show one that will allow us to create a just-in-time application for an expense report and use that application to submit an expense report. Okay, so I think hopefully that's sufficient. Now we're going to go into the file system where we have uploaded a screenshot of a receipt that's going to get used as input for this task. Go. I think I left out one thing to do. Okay, so we're going to skip this and rerun the example again. I'll just copy the prompt I wrote and clean up the session. Okay, so we have an image here. We need to actually enable including it in here. That's how the model is able to see it. Okay, now let's see if we have better results. The image was included. But it did not follow our instructions. Let's try again. Maybe I missed one more thing. Clean that out. We have the image selected. We have it included. Let's skip MTX and see his image. And we see. Let's see. Let's see. Just one more shot. All right, much better this time around. So this is a receipt, and I'm not sure I got everything, but I'll actually show this receipt here, which is this. And for the most part, let's see what's actually in the application. Got that. It's accurate at all. It's hit or miss with the image quality, but I think it did a decent job here. Yeah, I think it did it. Let's see. It's grapevine tomatoes. The last item there, 215, 179. Yep. Yep. Alright, it didn't do some of the other things that I asked about, like, the ability to add more items. But if you followed my other demos, the point of these just-in-time applications is not really that you create them just in time. In practice, you already have created an expense reporting application. You can create one for yourself, create one for your team, and then all you have to do is provide that data and it will get filled in. So you don't have to rely on the vagaries of using AI to create applications, which it can be hit or miss, and it's also not worth having to create a new application for every use case. It doesn't make sense in most cases. I have this on now just for the demo, but in practice there's a way that you can just point to an actual application that you've already created as part of your configuration, and the AI would know to use that instead of creating a new one. So let's send this report to an email as an example of integrating the output of the application into greater processes. Spell pricey. Alright, let's see. Send this. And see what we get back. So we see an email there. I suspect it's already sent it. And we'll get our confirmation. So I don't have speech on for these, just to make things go a little faster, so you don't get the same feedback. So I did send that. You can take a look here. And here's our data. In practice, this will probably go into some, system that you have, which you can integrate as you wish. But hopefully, this demonstrate the idea of an intelligent workspace. I'm showing the demo using the mobile version of the platform, but this can be the desktop version as well, and it may well be more appropriate to do this in the desktop version as opposed to mobile. But this gives us a hint of possibilities for how we can really create products integrated with AI that make sense and help us out. Thank you very much.